We are Christine, Renis, and our son Arthur, a family with a big dream. Through icy winters and scorching summers, we built our camper van. It was tough, but we made it happen. And now, we're hitting the road. New places, new faces, and a whole lot of adventure. We are starting an epic journey from the southern tip of Europe all the way to the northernmost point, with no money and no plan, just the road, our determination, and the kindness of strangers. These next two episodes are all about us exploring the city of Barcelona. However, this episode is more of a day before Barcelona. Parking a camper van in Barcelona is almost impossible, so we decided to park our home in a nearby town called Premià de Mar and head to Barcelona the next day by train. But first, we had to navigate some narrow streets to figure out where to throw away our rubbish bags. Turns out it's not that easy in this town.
May I join you?
Action has been filmed.
We were riding at the back.
I saw.
Hooray! Success!
Yay, got rid of the rubbish. Yay.
Well, there were a few bins that were actually successfully open still, so we managed to throw it out in there.
It was the same bins, yeah, with just
Yeah, but they worked.
some kind of scanning thing we never knew.
Here are a few.
We'll come back in London.
Maybe you are.
Once that was sorted, we parked our camper and went out for some geocaching and to enjoy the sea and the beautiful views. Later, Arthur and I went to nearby park to fill up our water tank while Christine stayed behind and did some cooking.
So, why did we bring this one? I doubt we can fill it up on those little things.
Use your maths. How many times do we need to go with this?
4 times.
4 times. With this one 10 times. Here's your answer. Woohoo!
Yay!
Much faster.
Okay, I'm gonna go and show the viewers what a long zip line they have here.
Okay.
It stretches all the way from there, all the way here. Well, not. I usually would run off it double-handed, just in the middle of there. But let's try to do that with one hand. As you can see, I'm not getting on. I'm just holding by one hand on here. So let's do it. Woohoo! Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Fun, eh?
After the meal, Christine and Arthur went back to the park to make a few extra bracelets, where it ended up a bit like a mini workshop, while I stayed in the camper and edited some videos.
So it's crazy. We were currently just sitting, making a few bracelets, making some smaller, and then look what happened.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But you're gonna make that one.
An entire family decided to try, for 2 kids to try to buy some of our bracelets, or at least one of them wants to make a bracelet. So let's see how it will end.
Ay, ay, ay.
No, I know.
It's very hard for me to put it on.
Yeah, this one is
I know how to do it.
yeah, you manage them.
So we just now sold 2 bracelets in a sort of workshop. And since they were smaller size, each one costed 10. But they were so generous they gave us 22.50. Perfect.
Then our little ball of energy decided he wanted to make dinner. So off he went shopping.
So where are we going?
We're going to Lidl. Unfortunately, there are no Hot Wheels though.
Oh, that's your shopping bag. Arthur,
It's my shopping bag, yes. So, for
what are
now
you
I'm
having?
planning on maybe something like ramen, yeah? So I would need spaghetti. Then I would need probably carrots.
We got carrots.
Okay. Then, what's that new thing they've invented that you put into like soups?
The stock, you mean?
Yes, that thing. Then what else? Potatoes? Do they put those things in ramen?
Nah. Okay, let's go. So we got 2 packs of food and 5 chocolate bars. Is that done our shopping?
Yeah, actually. Okay, fine now.
I think we did a mistake allowing you to do our dinner.
Don't tell her, but I sneaked in 1 packet of chips still. Broccoli. On good price.
First time we'll use broccoli in ramen, but it's not a bad idea.
Yes, we also need mushrooms, which I totally remembered. I completely didn't forget. And no more hints, Mrs. Lay. Of course, I remembered it myself, though. Well, since my mum is under the weather for some vitamin C and other reasons, which I can't even pronounce, we are going to buy some oranges. See, look how orangey these oranges are. So,
I think Arthur is buying for himself some apples, but that's fine,
Are
yeah.
these the good ones?
You like these ones, yeah?
Okay, then we just plop them right on top of the chips, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, then do we need any lemons?
Yeah, actually we do.
Are these good?
See,
Está bien.
that's a bit of a...
As you can see, we reached the spot where there's a tofu. You see, it's written tofu.
That's
so we need to buy
sausage.
tofu. So we get like 1, 2 packets of tofu. Okay, I'll get your tofu. What? I'm only doing as you asked. Are you not happy with that? Okay. So, since today I'm in charge of getting the food, I'm gonna be in charge of cooking it too. So, let's see how disastrous I can make the food today. I'm making ramen, and what I'm currently, we're gonna have ramen, and currently I am chopping onions, and then I'm going to wash the mushrooms, and chop them up too. put them into the pan, and then we're going to fry them, and then we're going to toss it in with the rest of the ramen dish. So it's gonna be quite.
Let's make sure that our ramen dish is not like traditional ramen with the rice noodles. We use spaghetti and make our own soup, sort of.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's much more yummy. No offense. Now, kids, make sure to do this in adult supervision. So, I advise you, don't do it alone. It can be dangerous. In you, down the hatch, matey. In you go. In. No, okay, nothing went over. In you go. Again, do not do this without an adult supervision. Something like that should do. Let's mix it together and one side over the other. Just rip it open. Have a nice shower, my little friends.
Yep.
Good? Good enough?
Yep.
And we have the whole tofu! So first step, what you do is you cut the tofu, yes? The second step is you eat the tofu. It's a delicious process. Okay, this is tricky. Oh, I am master at this. Don't mess with me. Seems a shame to leave only one and put it in. Doesn't have any friends, does it? Well, probably I ate all of its friends, so down the hatch, matey. Oh no, it's raining. What do we do? Dunno. I don't know what to think of the stalk of the broccoli.
Crunchy.
Quite crunchy. I looked like the broccoli just after you went into the rain with them, whilst they're still wet. They're so yummy just after that.
Weirdo, right?
I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you. Pouring and pouring and pouring. As I recall, these are quite salty. From personal experience.
Keep it like
B, C, D. And then you repeat. I was the first to put it in. That's it. No. And dinner has been served.
No, let's see.
What, you have protests?
No, not yet.
And you?
No, it can't be. My super dude made me dinner. It's amazing.
yeah. Thank you, Arthur.
You're welcome.
After that amazingly tasty dinner, we were ready to go to bed. But before that, I just wanted to park the van a little neater. But then... I don't know why it discharged. Maybe because at one point we had this... I realized we had for some time the hazard lights on, but that's it. We had any issues before with our battery. But I got this one, jump starter. I hope that's gonna. It's not quite full. Hopefully that's gonna give some kick so we can start our car and see what's going on further there. I guess you can't escape all these problems if you using car every day, you know.
Yep. Ba-da-ba.
Nope. Let's wait a bit more.
Oh,
I didn't expect that. I just like turned it. It was just coming on. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on.
you're 100% sure it's not gonna turn on.
Huh?
We're 100% sure.
I was 100% thinking it was just even like about to like switch it off. And it just touched it and it just gone on.
Well, I guess it's easy fix.
I don't know what's going on. Really, with me lately, it's my reading of luck is completely opposite. Completely 100% opposite. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. See you next time. We're finally heading to Barcelona. We have no idea how to buy train tickets. We're too shy to approach anyone, but we still manage to enjoy the city and meet some great people. Though we do end up on the wrong train.